Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please do subscribe so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be able to see them. Whenever I drop a new update on crypto and forex or any other online money making opportunities, you'll be able to see them and follow up. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to do research, how to research for coins on Bybit. Okay, before you go into buying any coin, how you will make your research on that coin, knowing the people behind the coin, knowing the network they belong to, like whether they belong to the Sol network, Ethereum, or Tone, anyone. So when you come to Bybit, okay, when you come to Bybit, all we have here is the home. Okay, so we have the home, have the market here. Here you can do your trading. Then that's what they call Bybit in here. We can capture that in another video. Then in this asset, you'll be able to see whatever coin that you're holding. So our main focus today is to look into the market and see how we can research coins why we want to carry or before we carry out any particular trade. Okay, so you can still use your both hands to zoom in or zoom out when you are on the app. Okay, so now if you come to this place, this market here, you come to market, you will see different coins that are being traded, okay, or listed in Bybit. You can actually scroll down and look at all of them. Okay, but let's say you want to research on any particular coin. Look at what you're going to do. So anyone you want to research on, you just click on it. Okay, let's say we want to start with this virtual coin, which is a newly listed coin, this particular one. So let's look at it and see how we can research on it before going into it. So this particular coin, you can click on it now. When you click on it, you will see it. You will see the candlestick pattern being displayed. You can see that the coin listed at 0.34 and it has really gone up from here. You can see it has really gone very high. So now let us look at this coin and know the people behind the coin. Let's look at the market cap, the total supply and all that. In order to do that, you just scroll your phone up a bit like this. Okay, then when you scroll up, you will see this. When you scroll up, you're going to see this overview here. Okay, then you also see network here. So we'll start with overview. Now when you click on the overview here, you can scroll up and scroll down for you to see. Now you will see that this coin was listed this year. Just look at the date of listing, 2024, and you can see the supply. Total supply of this coin is very small. You can see it here, 1 billion supply. Then you can see the market cap is already up to 1 trillion, 1.6 trillion. So it's very high. Okay, so you can as well go into their website. Okay, you can just copy this link and go through the website. You can copy this link here, click on this copy here and go to the left side. Then you can also copy this link and put it on your browser and look at the white paper, okay, concerning the coin. So if you click on this and copy this link, you can now go over to your browser and paste it there. Okay, let's use Chrome, and if I paste it on Chrome and browse, it will take me to the site. Okay, while you are on the site, this is virtuals.io. You allow it to load, then you go through everything concerning this coin. Okay, you can as well go through market cap and look at it. So you can see things about the coin. You can go through the site. Okay, and if it interests you, you go ahead. Meanwhile, you can as well read about it here. They say virtual protocol is building the co-ownership layer for AI agent in gaming and entertainment. We allow anyone to be able to create their own agency and blah blah blah. You can read through it. They read through the white paper. But most importantly, here we'll look at this. We look at this, the total supply. You can see it's very small, but look at the market cap. The market cap is very, very high. It shows that a lot of people are trading this particular coin. So you can decide to buy. Then the next thing we're going to do is to look at the network. So what network support this coin? You can click on this network here. So if you click on it, you will see the network is base. Okay, you can see the network here. You can see the deposit status is normal. You can see the withdrawal, so it doesn't have any issue. Okay, so that's how to make research on Bybit. Okay, let's look at another coin. Let's look at Doge. Let's look at Dogecoin. Okay, let's look for a newer coin. Let's look for a newer coin like the OL. This all coin now. If you click on it, you see the overview. Just like I said, you come to overview here, after which you check the network. So if I come to overview, you can see they say OpenLoot is a Web3 gaming distribution platform and all that. You can see the total supply is 5 billion. You can see the total supply here is 5 billion. Then you can see the website. You can go through the website. No recorded market cap yet. It shows that this is a new coin. You can see it was listed this 2024 November and Bybit as well. Then we can go through the network and see that this is an Ethereum network coin. Support Ethereum network. Okay, so it's also a good coin. You can as well look for other coins. Let's look for a coin that supports the SOL network. Okay, this is Tone. If you click on Tone, you can come to the overview and see. You can see Tone also has 5 billion supply and has about 17 trillion market cap. So if you want to buy coins, you should look for the ones that has good market cap. Though sometimes you can decide to buy coins with low market cap, aiming to have a higher market cap. But you can see the market cap of this Tone. You can see it is very, very high. So no matter anything, even if it goes down, you are very sure it will go up. Then if you look for the network, you see that the network is Stone. They have their own blockchain. Okay, so they have their own blockchain. So this is how you can make your research on coins Bybit before buying. This is another coin that is doing well. This core. Okay, this core. So let's click on it and see what the support. Can come to overview. You read about it. Can see it has about 1.7 trillion market cap already, 2.1 billion total supply or supply limit. Then you can read about it here. Let's see the network that it supports. It has its own blockchain. You can see its core. So this is how you make your own research before going buying any coin. Okay, so that's how you do it before buying any coin on Bybit. Come to overview, read about it. Then you can as well copy their website and copy their white paper and head over to your browser, make more research before you buy. Okay, let's look for a coin that probably has bad market reputation. Let me know if I can see anyone. I can't really think of anyone now that may not be advisable. Okay, let me go down and look for this one that is coming to my mind. Doesn't mean it's bad, but doesn't mean it's bad. But let's see differences between other. Okay, let's look at this SAT. Okay, this particular one. Let's look at this particular one. This one. So if you click on it, you see, come to overview. You can see the total supply is very high. See, so this one will tie down your money so well. There's no market cap, then has only website, no white paper. So you are seeing now. So these are the type of coins that if you buy, you likely tie your money down. Then it has BTC, it's built on BTC blockchain, even though, but the market cap zero, total supply too high, website is there, and white paper zero. You can even copy this link to the website. Let's see what will happen should we browse on it. Let's see whether the site is still even working. Okay, the site is, you can see how the site is. You can see it. Can't really make anything good out of it. So that's how you make your research. Okay, and that's how you can go into these coins before venturing into them or buying them. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you have seen this video for the first time, try and subscribe so that you'll be getting more of the updates as I drop them. In the videos to come, we'll be making some analysis on candlestick so that maybe you analyze trade before you trade. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.